In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. To get started, make sure you already have the Canva design open that you want to use in your email marketing. This could be a newsletter graphic, a promotional image, an announcement, a header, or any other design you have created for your campaign. Before exporting anything, take a moment to quickly review the design on your Canva canvas. Check that the text looks correct, the images are placed properly, and the overall layout is ready to send over to Mailchimp. Once the design looks good, you are ready to begin the integration process. Now look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor. You should see the Share button in that area. Click Share to open the sharing and export options for your design. This menu is where Canva gives you different ways to download, publish, collaborate, or send your design to other platforms. Since the goal is to move this design into Mailchimp, you will not be downloading it manually. Instead, you will use Canva's built-in integration option. After the Share menu opens, look toward the bottom of that menu. You should see an option labeled More. Click More to reveal additional apps, publishing tools, and connected services that Canva supports. This section may include many different options, so take your time and let the menu load fully if needed. The More area is useful because it contains integrations that are not always visible in the first sharing menu. Once you are in the More section, use the search bar to find Mailchimp. Type Mailchimp into the search field, and Canva should display the Mailchimp option in the results. When you see Mailchimp appear, select it. This tells Canva that you want to export or send the current design directly into your Mailchimp account. Selecting the correct integration is important because it connects your Canva design workflow with your email marketing workflow. Next, Canva will ask you to connect your Mailchimp account. Click Connect to begin that process. You will then be prompted to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp login details on the secure Mailchimp login screen. Be sure to use your own account information and avoid sharing any private login details on screen if you are recording or presenting this process. After you log in, Canva may ask for permission to access your Mailchimp account. This access is what allows Canva to send the design over to Mailchimp, so continue through the connection process when prompted. After the connection is complete, Canva will ask you to choose the Mailchimp audience where you want to save your design. An audience in Mailchimp is where your contacts and campaign-related assets are organized. Select the audience that matches the email campaign or contact list you plan to use. If you manage more than one audience, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. This helps keep your design organized in the right place inside Mailchimp. Once you have selected the Mailchimp audience, you are ready to finalize the export. Click Save and View in Mailchimp. Canva will then send the design to Mailchimp and open it there so you can review it. This final step confirms that the integration worked and that your design has been transferred successfully. When Mailchimp opens, you can check that the design is available in the correct location and ready to be used as part of your email design process. That is the full process for integrating Canva with Mailchimp for email design. You begin by opening your design in Canva, then use the Share menu, go into More, select Mailchimp, connect your account, choose the right audience, and save the design into Mailchimp. Once everything is connected, sending future Canva designs to Mailchimp becomes much faster and easier. That covers everything you need to know.